Males start fighting for females and become a danger to people. To avoid accidents, their antlers are removed. They will grow back in spring, and their temporary loss allow the deer to live in the city without risk of hurting anyone. This stag search has brought him to the edge of the town. A group of females. But they are being guarded by a male from out of town. This posturing signals a challenge. Lacking antlers, he's dependent on strength, skill, and sheer determination. He has beaten his opponent, and winners get a chance with the females.